Hi everyone, I am back again with another unboxing video. As you can tell, I bought these on the same day, so they're both here. But this one is a camera microphone, which I will be using for future filming in my show and for my channel. So I just needed an extra microphone because when we were filming a couple scenes for the show, it was like really quiet and you could barely hear us, and the wind was too like windy. So I just got a new camera microphone to help. So this is the one I have. It's a photography interview camera, or not camera, microphone, but I'm going to use it for recording. So this is the box that it came in, and it's just the CGC 598 recording microphone. So you saw what it looked like on Amazon. But this is the box, so we're going to open it. So it took me a while, but we finally opened it because I was working with one hand because I was filming with my phone. So here is the open box. It came with the little, like a pouch to hold it in to keep it safe and protected. So I'm just going to use that to carry it around if I need to. And then it came with like a guarantee of it being like certified, so it's like a certified microphone, I guess, to make sure it was like qualified or something. And then of course your instruction manuals on how to do it. I didn't like use it yet. When I use it for the first time, then I will show you guys like maybe the difference of clips of sound. But for now, this is just what I have, but I will test it out very soon. And then it has a little velvet piece on top to hold it, but bam, here is the microphone. It's right here. It looks really nice. I don't know what these are. I'll have to see when I look at the instruction manual, but they're like little clips, it looks like. But yeah, this is the microphone, so I'm just going to show you guys a little bit more of what it looks like and stuff, but that's it. And then like I said, I'll add in some clips of the sound difference so you can see like how different it does sound. But other than that, enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Hi, my name is Jade. Hi, my name is Jade.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to show you guys how to make